Meet Jason. Like millions around the world, he's stuck in the endless cycle of bad habits. Procrastination, unhealthy eating, and social media addiction. It's time for a change. The future is here, and technology can help. Let's explore the best habit-breaking apps of 2025. First up, Habitica, a gamified habit tracking app. Each good habit earns you rewards, and each bad habit weakens your character. Consistency is key. Streaks keeps you accountable by tracking how many consecutive days you stick to good habits. Loop Habit Tracker helps analyze patterns. Why do you break habits? When are you most productive? Sometimes, a little risk helps. StickK lets you bet money on your habits. Fail, and your money goes to a cause you dislike. Breaking habits isn't just about discipline, it's about lifestyle changes. Fabulous helps you build morning routines, mindfulness, and better sleep. Mindfulness is key to self-awareness. Headspace helps you reflect and resist temptations. With the right tools, Jason has broken free from his bad habits. And so can you. Start your journey today. Download the right app for you and take control of your life in 2025.